Brady Bunch with oh my god! There's a body on the floor! There's a Jessica? Bloody hell, what's happened?
Jessica just died.
I can see that! You think I can't see that? Wait, sorry, died? She's dead, Claire. Do you want me to get help, or...?
No.
Whoa. Claire, you didn't...
Oh, no, you won't believe me.
Try me.
The dog did it.
We don't have a dog! Snuffles! Claire, you're not 5 years old anymore. You can't seriously expect me to believe that the dog did it.
You have to throw it away. Burn it. Cut it into teeny tiny pieces. That thing is savage. Show it no mercy.
You are out of your goddamn mind.
You have to believe me. Jessica, she was playing with it and squishing its face and it made it mad, very mad. And where are you going? Come back.
He doesn't believe you.
You've had enough sacrifices. Be gone, foul demon.
I did it for you, Claire. I can kill him too.
Why would I want that?
Kill Tom.
No! Stop it!
Kill.
Please, not Tom. What do you want from me? I'll do anything. I will, just don't take him too. See? You heard it, right? It was talking, making threats. You heard it.
I can't believe you'd do something like this.
I didn't do it!
I never expected you to find out about the affair.
You have to believe... The what?
Look, Claire, I promise, if I had known that you were gonna kill her, I never would have slept with her.
You slept with Jessica!
To think we're next to that very same sofa.
Excuse me?
Anyway, that'll be the place.
Thank the station.